In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace green screen on Kapwing. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a green background from your footage, drop in a new scene, and export a clean, share-ready video. Start by opening your browser and heading to Kapwing's Green Screen Remover or Background Replacer tool. This is a web-based editor, so you don't need to install anything. Once the page loads, bring in your footage by clicking Upload Video, or paste a direct video URL if your clip is hosted online. Give it a moment to process so the timeline and preview appear. Now it's time to remove the original background. In the editor, look for the Effects or Video Background Remover options and select the Chroma Key tool. This is the green screen removal feature that isolates your subject. You'll see a threshold or color tolerance slider. Gently move that slider until the green background disappears and your subject stays intact. If the threshold is too low, you'll see patches of green remain. If it's too high, parts of your subject can start to vanish or look transparent. Aim for clean edges and a consistent cutout. A simple test is to scrub through the timeline to check different frames, since lighting changes or shadows can affect the removal. With the background cleared, you can add your new scene. Upload your replacement background, whether it's a still image, a looping video, or even a solid color if you want a minimalist look. In the Layer panel, place the new background behind your subject by dragging the background layer underneath, or by right-clicking and reordering so it sits at the back. Make sure the background fully covers the canvas. You can scale it up or reposition it if needed. To make the composite look natural, feel free to tweak the background settings. Adjust its size and position so the subject feels grounded in the scene. A slight blur on the background can help mimic camera depth of field and reduce any cutout artifacts. You can also shift the color temperature or brightness of the background to better match your footage, which helps everything feel cohesive. When you're happy with the result, hit Export and choose a common format like MP4. Let Kapwing render your project, then download the file or share it directly to your platforms. That's all there is to it. Clean removal, a properly layered background, a few finishing touches, and an export that looks professional.